Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the weekly press briefing of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, where we aim to provide journalists with an update on the latest developments at the court and the opportunity to ask questions. In the case against Sabit Yanuzi and Ismet Bakhtiari, the pretrial judge on Friday, 27th October, issued an order to convene a status conference with the parties on 3rd November at 9:30 in the morning. The pretrial judge will ask the parties to provide updates on outstanding issues detailed in the agenda, such as difficulties in relation to the disclosure or translation of evidentiary material, the status of SPO investigations, and when the prosecution will be able to file its pretrial brief. In the case of Thaci and others, the 31st witness called by the prosecution testified on Monday, 30th October. The witness testified with protective measures and mostly in private session. The 32nd witness has started their testimony this morning via video link and mostly in public session. On 31st October, the public redacted version of the trial panel's decision on a request by the Thaci defense became available. The Thaci defense had requested to be allowed to interview a prosecution witness prior to the testimony of the witness and without the presence of the prosecution. The trial panel denied the defense request and directed the defense to follow the procedure set out in the relevant contact decision. On 24th June 2022, the pretrial judge had issued a decision setting out a framework for the handling of confidential information during investigations and contact between a party and witnesses of the opposing party. According to that decision, prior to testimony, parties shall not contact or interview a witness of another party if the intention to call the witness has been notified to the opposing party. However, where a party considers that circumstances have changed, they may request a variation of the decision. The panel found that in this case there was no such change in circumstances, and therefore the contact decision is still applicable. On 1st November, the trial panel's decision of 8 September granting a witness called by the prosecution to testify via video link due to serious health concerns became public. The next hearing in this case is scheduled on Monday, 6 November 2023, starting at 9 in the morning. The next hearing in the Piatashala case is scheduled for Monday, 20th November, starting at 9:30 in the morning. In other news, the KSC outreach team last week met with different communities in Pristina, Gračanica, and Gilan municipality to provide information about the KSC mandate and proceedings and respond to questions. The outreach team travels to Kosovo almost every month to establish and maintain a dialogue with various communities in Kosovo. This was all from me. If there are any questions, I'll be happy to respond.